Hello students, now I am going to deal a topic known as electric field on the axial line of an electric dipole. So here you have to first take an electric dipole. So an electric dipole have a minus q charge and a plus q charge separated by a distance 2a. So let the distance is, this is the distance 2a. Let this is point A, there this is point B, and the center is O. Now when you extend the line AB on right hand side or left hand side, then that line is said to be axial line or end on position. So suppose we extend this line and suppose we take a point here known as point C, where we want to take electric field due to charge at A and charge at B. So for that, first of all, this is a plus charge, that is plus Q. Electric field E due to charge at B have direction outward because positive charge. And this is a negative charge. So here it is electric field E at B and direction is inward. Now this two electric field results to give the resultant electric field known as E axial. So E axial is the vector sum of E A. This is E A plus E B. This is E B. This is the resultant electric field. Now let the distance from O to C is R. R is the distance and P is known as electric dipole moment. Direction of P is from negative to positive charge. Now let us see what is the electric field at point C due to charge at point A. Electric field at point C due to charge at point A is E A is the electric field. This is the electric field EA at point C, which we have determined. So this is equals to KQ upon distance AC. Distance AC is equals to distance AO plus OC. AO is A distance and OC is R. So here you have R plus A whole square. And direction of EA is inward. That is opposite of P, dipole moment. So we give here minus P cap. Now electric field at point C due to charge at point A, not A, at point B. Charge at point B is, this is EB. This is equals to KQ upon distance BC, and BC is equals to OC minus OB. So this is equals to R minus A whole square. And the direction is EB is in O to C. And O to C direction is the direction of P also. So here you have P cap. Now you have EA and you have EB. As E axial is equals to EA plus EB. So this is equals to, what is EA? EA equals to K Q by R plus A square P cap with a minus sign, and EB equals to K Q divided by R minus A square P cap. Now you have to solve it. Now take out the common KQ. Inside you have 1 plus R plus A square with a minus sign, and you have KQ outside you have taken, you have R minus A square, and this P cap can be written this side. So you have, this is KQ under bracket, take the LCM. LCM is R square minus A square whole square, and at the numerator side you get here minus R plus A square plus R minus A square plus R plus A square. This is P cap. So when you solve it, now this is R square plus A square minus 2AR. So this minus sign becomes minus R square minus A square plus 2AR. And here you have R square A square plus 2AR. So R square minus R square A square minus A square cancel out. And here you get 2AR and 2AR 4AR. So you have, this is KQ into 4AR divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. Now here this is E axial is equals to K, and here Q 4AR can be written as cube into 2AR. So cube into 2AR is said to be P magnitude, here P cap, and here remaining is 2R divided by R square minus A square whole square. I am explaining again. Here this is P magnitude, this is equals to cube into 2A. So here cube into 2A is equals to P, and remaining 2 into R we have written here. Now this give you 2RK P vector by R square minus A square whole square E axial. So this is the equation for E axial. When you have A is very less than R, then A square is neglected in denominator. So when you neglect the A square, you get here R square into square R to the power 4. Cancel out this, you get R to the power 3. So E axial is equals to 2RK P divided by R to the power 4. So cancel out this, you get here 3 as I have said. So this is equals to 2kp by r cube. This is E axial. Expression for electric field on the axial line of an electric dipole. Dear students, next you have to learn electric field on the equatorial line. On the equatorial line of an electric dipole. You will see it in my next video. Thank you.